share something with you today that I think that's very, very profound, and it's this. Here's the question that I'm going to ask to answer the question, and I'm going to explain it. How do we lose weight? Just watch where I'm going with this. How do we gain weight? Right? Now I'm using these two questions, and now I'm going to expound on it. You may be like, what in the world does that have to do with anything? Here I go. Watch this. My students, they know I like to do this. If we want to lose weight, then we have to change what we were doing before in order to get new results. Right? In other words, if we're eating poorly, and we know we're eating poorly, and we know that's the result of getting the results that we have currently, then it's when we stop the eating poorly and we start the eating correctly, right? We stop going one direction and we start going another direction, that things begin to change, right? So here's where I'm going with that concept. Hopefully you're following where I'm going with this, but here's where I'm going with that. In the same way that you have to change directions when you want to lose weight, it's the same thing you have to do when it comes to positive thinking. If you're struggling with negative thoughts, what you firstly have to realize is you don't give attention to the negative thought. Because all you're going to do is amplify the negative thought, right? But if you realize that you can stop what you're doing and just think about something else, then all of a sudden you get new results, right? So in other words, instead of thinking about the negative thing, just think about the exact opposite, and that is the positive thing of that which you desire. Isn't that powerful? I know that sounds very simple, but I'm going to say it this way. They say you cannot put old wine in new bottles. If you want a new way of thinking, what are you going to gain if you think about the negative? Guys, this concept right here, it can apply in so many different areas in this world. There's so many different issues that people focus on, but if they think about the opposite, some very powerful and drastic things can happen. Okay? So I hope you got value with this. Again, I am going to make more videos about this topic, but rewind this video again. Go through what I said slowly and watch how what I am saying makes sense. Because again, if you're having a negative thought, then all you have to do is go a different direction. And when you go a different direction, you get a new outcome. With that, be blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.